it's me, Kidwoman, and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you can join me this part of this unboxing Blu Ray on this video. And did you have realised about the coronavirus was spreaded across the world? I'm glad because any of you were facing isolation for a few weeks. Okay, so I'd like to break down what I got for today. Is I got Maleficent Mistress of Evil. I guess I'd like to show you today as part of this video. Okay, look, let's go to unwrap this. Okay, you can see you can look at this. You can look at this fantastic artwork. This Blu Ray of Maleficent Mistress of Evil. Just like you read, since I have seen it on cinema since beginning of November last year, and I guess you have might recognise these actors named Ellie Fanning, who is Princess Aurora, and I realise Angelina Jolie. You can see a picture of Angelina Jolie on the front cover. You recognise her who plays Lara Croft in first Tomb Raider films. One's Lara Croft Tomb Raider and Tomb Raider Cradle of Life. She's also in Mr. and Mrs. Smith and Beowulf and Wanted. And she also is in Kung Fu Panda. And that's Michelle Pfeiffer. You can see the nice, amazing background. I know these actors who familiar with. There has some relay. Here's in this film. Looking at the whole cover. It's just rated PG on the back. You can see here it goes. Look closely. This is the one disc. You can get. It has It contains the bonus features. It's got Orleans of Fae, Aura's Wedding, If You Had Wings, Maleficent Mistress of Evil, Virtual Effects, Real, Extended Scenes. I think it appears to be deleted scenes. That's the film. Those scenes were cut to the first final release. You can get a lot of really cool bonus features. You can see some more of it. Okay, so also you could look on the disc. So do you want to have a look closely? Look at this Blu-ray disc. I like this logo. It's very crisp and slick. It looks really cool. I really love this cake. I really love it. And this is a film. It's a sequel to the first Maleficent when it first premiered on 2014. This is a remake of original 1959 classic of Sleeping Beauty. I guess you have watched Sleeping Beauty. Especially I love watching Sleeping Beauty. I also got it on Blu Ray. And we literally got the first Maleficent on DVD already. Okay, so I guess you have realised how this film was so popular. Since I have watched it before I went to see Frozen 2. I bet you have already seen it before. It was quite successful since the first Frozen back in 2013. And I guess you have already learned so far. Okay, so But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to hit the notifications. Don't miss out the latest content. And also, you can find me on the social links below this description section. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook page. You can see some more additional content. Also, you can see on Instagram, you can see more additional posts you haven't seen before. Okay folks, I hope you enjoyed this video and please stay safe. I hope you see you soon about Easter holidays, or perhaps a few months maybe. Okay, so I hope you stay healthy and safe, and then I hope you see you soon. Ta-ra.